What movie should we watch?
I know. Let's watch I Want the Manager. It's the hottest movie right now, so we should be seeing it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, never mind.
Hello everyone. We would like to thank you for watching a movie. Drink and popcorn refills are free. Anyways, enjoy the movie.
I think we came to the wrong theater.
The Nazis! Everyone okay, guys?
I don't think this
Stop!
is the...
Are you
If anyone talks, they're abducted.
from the future? The future? Oh man, I got fat like an hour.
Guys, we need to leave.
Oh, anyway.
I caught you lacking.
Whatever you do, don't order a pepperoni pizza. It triggers a chain of events that result in the end of the world. In an hour? Yeah. So if I just order another pizza, it'll be fine. Probably. Okay. This is much worse.
Looks like someone didn't turn on silent mode.
How do I learn to time travel? In the future? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Look, just choose something else, okay? Chicken barbecue. Really, dude? Chicken barbecue. What's wrong with chicken barbecue? What's wrong with chicken barbecue? I have a robot arm now. That sounds awesome. It is. But I also have AIDS. In an hour? Yes. Fine. Everything is on fire. The Nazis are back.
Thank you so much, Day 8888.
I'm just gonna order Mexican food. Don't order Mexican food. Why not? You shit yourself.
The door is open because the cops are here.
Well, come on, we have to find Sonic again.
Yes!